We're in Great Falls, Virginia, a very historic, beautiful area outside of Washington, D.C. And most exciting for me because it's the home of Jinny Beyer. So we're headed there now. We've been on the road since early this morning and driven through fog and blinding rain and traffic jams because, you know, it is the weekend right before Christmas, so everybody's on the road. About 20 minutes outside of DC, and it's just lovely here. I think I see, yes, yep, we've just passed it. We're going in the shopping center. This is so exciting. I haven't been to Jinny's in about 2 years. I love this shopping center. It has a little bit of a historically Williamsburg type look. It's charming. Oh, look at this sign. Jinny Beyer. Look, we're finally here. I am so excited. All right, so I'll next see you when I'm up on the porch because it's raining here. So we are here. I'm on the porch of the Jinny Beyer Studio and we're getting ready to go in. I wish you were here with me. Here we are inside the shop. The place smells like Jinny Beyer fabrics. It's wonderful. Look at these kits down here. Fabulous. Look at all of this. She carries Quilters Select. That's really good. Oh, this is great. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? More kits. Boy, kits are wonderful because then you get the actual fabrics that Jinny herself puts together. Oh, those are sweet trees. Here are her borders. She is known for her borders. And they're wonderful. She was the first person who really concentrated on borders. And there's so much you can do with them. Besides bordering a quilt, you can make wonderful kaleidoscope designs with these. And it's a wonderful way to choose colors for your quilt. Here are fat quarters. I love that her prices are reasonable. Very nice. Look at this beautiful case. Here are some wonderful blenders, her palette line. Here are more kits. Wonderful kits. Look at this one. Ooh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. There's a tote. Look, what are these rugs? Like a rag rug. It's beautiful. Ah, here's the jewelry section. Tommy Jane Lane. Beautiful. Oh, socks are cute. Oh, wow. These colors are just fabulous. Oh my gosh, look at this. Saturated color is an understatement. Beautiful.
They're $5. If you spend $75 or more in the shop, they're free. Otherwise, they're $5.
This is beautiful. Patterns. Beautiful patterns. Her favorite Aurifil thread. Neutrals. Her stained glass star, which is the symbol for her shop. You'll see it on her webpage and information. Ooh, batiks. Hi, yes, thank you. I guess you were told I'd be here.
Yes.
Although I was going to try to be here earlier, but boy, did we have been driving for 7.5 hours, and it should have taken 5.5. So it's been tough. We came through the mountains, and they had fog alerts and zero visibility, and
Wow.
we came up 81 from Winston-Salem, and we thought, oh, no problem, we'll be there in no time.
Well, there has been other times. You make it pretty good. But.
So, but thank you so much. I'm so excited that Jinny Beyer has just been. She doesn't know it, but she's a mentor to me. And so I just. These are all batiks. There's a wide line. Look, from pastels on to the rich colors.
Is that going to be out for today?
Yeah, I just, like I said, I hardly film it all. I just couldn't see that.
Yes, they're very nice.
Look at this color. These are my colors. This shop is so charming, and I just wanted to show you. It's a little village shopping center, and I just wanted to let you see. So if you ever make a trip here, I think you'll enjoy it. In fact, when we leave here, I'm taking Mark around that side of the shopping center where there's an authentic Irish pub. So I just wanted to show you what a lovely place to spend time. I'm taking you behind the cutting table because Jinny Beyer tears their fabric, and the floor used to be covered with a beautiful rainbow of threads. Now they keep it in a little bag. Cutting table. Here are notions.
I've never been to her house, but they say she could walk here.
Everywhere you look is something wonderful.
Oh, no, this is things is like that, it's all very. I got this,
Buttons. Bags. Here are the golden calipers. Remember our contest? That's one of her favorites. She has a perfect piecer, but I'm not seeing it right now. Okay. And now we're going to head upstairs. Look at these quilts. Oh, isn't this pretty? This is different. There's a palette quilt to show a mini palette. Look at all these fat quarters. Lots and lots and lots of fat quarters. Ah, here we go. This is wonderful. I wonder if this is where Jinny does her filming, because I know when we did the block of the month for 2018, she was in front of that at some point. Oh, I love this one. It's absolutely beautiful. There's the Kyoto. That's the one I just recently did. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Isn't that gorgeous? Okay. Table runner kits. I have this kit ready to make. In fact, I have several of her kits. I need to get busy and make them. Aha. Here's the moon glow. This is the quilt that first just changed my life. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. And her scrap bucket. It's great for you applique people. You can find plenty of good stuff in that. Okay. Just left Jinny Beyer, and we're sitting right outside her shop, and I got some free patterns, and guess what? One of these is going to be for a prize. Also, Jinny Beyer herself walked in at the last minute, and I would have loved to have filmed her, but she really didn't feel comfortable in her casual wear to get on camera, and I wanted to respect her. So, of course, Mark, being the good husband he is, said, "What are you going to buy here?" And I saw this and thought, I have to have, whoops, I knocked it on the floor. I thought, I have to have a yard of that. I need a yard of that. Then, since I've already bought my Christmas, I'm trying to be careful, but I bought this Arabic tiles table runner. When I saw this kit, I thought, oh, I have to have that. But in being frugal, I got the table runner, and I am very, very happy. So we're getting ready to leave Jinny Beyer's, and thank you for coming along with me.